the stars with BDK.
We all got so inspired by Robert Irwin's Jive. Let's learn a little section from that incredible performance. And here it is. Wow! Wow, that was incredible. Okay, let's learn the steps. And we start with a little dribble on 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go kick and close, kick and close, kick, side, cross behind, side, side. Then we jump 1, 2, 3, 4, and we play the guitar. All right, let's try it a little bit faster. And we start with the dribble. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, great job. It's time to try it with the music. Let's go. Great job. You did great.